In our podcast, Keep It or Change Cars, we have a debate. Should you hold on to your current car or is it time to upgrade? In this episode of All Things Motoring, due to popular demand, we get down and dirty as we look back to Season 5's Off-Road Special. This is All Things Motoring News. To read the full articles or view the full videos, click on the links below. Toyota Hilux Legend 55 revealed at SOMI. Isuzu Motors South Africa top employer for the third year in a row. The FIA can now ban F1 drivers for being rude. The FIA has introduced £100,000 fines, race bans and point deductions to tackle swearing. Will there be a petrol price cap in South Africa? The South African Petroleum Industry Association has called on government to investigate the cap in the spirit of transparency and on condition that relevant consultations with industry is observed, taking into account the interest of all role players. Updated Toyota GR Yaris SA launch date confirmed. The GR Yaris has received significant updates. The turbocharged 1.6-litre engine has been upgraded with lightweight pistons, improved direct injection pressure and optimized mapping, resulting in increased outputs of 210 kilowatts and 400 newton meters. A new single-clutch direct automatic transmission replaces the manual gearbox. The vehicle also benefits from vehicle stability control and limited slip differential for improved handling. Remember, to read the full articles or view the full videos, click on the links below. All Things Motoring News is proudly brought to you by CHANGECARS. If you're looking to sell, need advice, need finance, or need insurance, CHANGECARS has you covered.